When market gives you flappuccino, you shall go get cappuccino. There is not much for us to do. I warned you. When price will come to reversal zone on this trade, chances of price blasting through this level is extremely slim. This is the end of the minor trend on hourly. This will be the focus of Fibonacci class on Friday in education room. Remember, trading room always closed on Fridays. We devote Fridays to Fibonacci levels. Bullish trend firmly minor. This is a brick wall. If bullish trend finds enough power after 24-hour war zone to blast through this level, this will be the next level. On our cutie fruity trade, it's 1.5 later. So let's see what price will do. Maybe the price will do exact same thing S&P is doing on monthly. Will S&P blast through this level? We're rooting for you, S&P. You can do it. It's been enough torture. You can do better than that. We know that this is a brick wall, but you can succeed. Show us what you got, baby. So let's take a look at the magic of this puzzle. Here's a reversal zone on baby chart for day trading. And here's a shocker chart, all the levels spelled out by the price since 2009, monthly. I warned you for the last 4 years, when S&P will come to this level, the end of the bullish rally is over. Looks familiar? You are an investor? You know Fibonacci levels? You've been out of this market since November 2014. War zone. Ultimate bearish correction. Complete collapse. Extreme volatility since 2010. But this is an obstacle. Decision point 2. Price cannot break, but been struggling immensely, doing exact same thing as this baby chart. So here comes the collapse. That's exactly the reason I named this Fibonacci level reversal zone. It never, ever, ever gets old. It's all the same formula. What you trade is up to you. The dance is on, and S&P can continue doing this dance until FOMC release. And all I can do is warn you. The dance is on, and it's not pretty. Both trends are minor when it comes to day trading on hourly chart. We are stuck completely. And this war zone can remain forever and ever and ever, as bullish trend reached the most crucial resistance level in the market structure. Exact same thing as Euro doing to the downside on monthly. Short from reversal zone at 3,800. All the same formula. Remember what happened on Euro. And remember what happened on Apple. Where is Apple now? Did you know to exit when Apple came to reverse this level on weekly end of minor trend? Posted on social media forever. S&P remains stuck. Price give you Fibonacci levels far in advance. If you respect and understand the price, you are not in the markets this morning. 99% chance we're gonna be stuck here tomorrow as well. All I can do is warn you. The dance is on. 1973.50 is ultimate level. So we are looking on oil. Here's a baby oil doing exact same spitting image as S&P. Stuck at the end of the minor trend. So how is that possible? We have such incredible shortage of supply and we are not seeing bullish rally on oil. In order for bullish rally to continue, this level must be broken. But it's a major, major obstacle. Twins, S&P and oil, identical structure. And this is ultimate test of your knowledge. Do you know where the end of the minor trend is? If you don't and you're buying into it, nothing good happens. Price will always struggle at this level. In order for trend to become major, it has to break through this level. If the trend is minor, this is where it will end. Always and forever. Trend, did I warn you? This is not the place to enter into. What has happened on our lovely 1.5 point trade? The magic of the puzzle. Expected. Ultimate brick wall. Did you know where to exit? What is happening on oil? Bullish news? We have such incredible shortage of supply and oil is heading south. Don't be fooled. We may see something very, very peculiar on both oil and S&P. That's what I said to you. I would love to see that. Because lower S&P and lower oil goes, better off we are. That's when you're gonna see serious buying power. Because no knowledgeable trader buying near this level. Not oil, not S&P. You scored 1.5 points in this market conditions? You're extremely powerful trader. Warzone is on. Continues since yesterday morning and potentially will continue until after FOMC. Again and again and again. I will be here for FOMC. And if we are stuck in this structure, I will continue warning you. We're in war zone. Both trends are minor. Until we see serious selling pressure, nothing good will happen. Every single selling move will continue finding buyers. No ifs or buts without it. But buyers dominating barely. And buyers are so tired. There is nothing good possible here. Massive flop. Time to get cappuccino. Time to practice your golf swing. Time to walk the dog. To make the world a better place. Ultimate test of your knowledge. 30 to 40% of the time market is dancing in this structure. Do you know this? If you do, your trading goes to entirely different level. You're not babysitting this. You are not entering into this level. 12:06 CST. The fight at reversal zone on our guiding light hourly continues. The same exact thing that happened on our trade, the same exact thing that happened on S&P monthly, playing out in front of you on S&P hourly. Will this become more than bearish correction? Or will S&P be stuck in silly bearish correction for the rest of the day? What do we need to see? Rule number 1 in the course, as you will learn in Friday class, how to plot these levels. Key rules must be met. You never, ever, ever, ever buying at reversal zone. Your success rate 20%. Price will do two things. Worthless correction, 80% of the time, complete reversal. You witness for the last hour and a half S&P been in correction. I warned you. Price is telling me if you're gonna try to sell, buyers are waiting. It's not the place or time to sell yet. No rules are met. Price is telling me it's only a correction. But this correction may become quite a reversal. I'm closing room in 15 minutes. If you know what to do, you will enjoy the ride. Because price may do exact same thing as it's done on monthly. Worthless correction. Should not be investing in these markets right now, and then complete collapse. And where's a good place to buy? Decision point 2. And when did the price spell this out? Since 2009. And when did the price spell this out? Since yesterday. So, what will price do? Will tell me, hopefully before I close out. All I can tell you right now, reversal zone had been reached, same thing that happened on our flawless trade. And that's the magic of the puzzle that never gets old. And it doesn't matter what you trade. All the same exact formula. This is exact same thing that's Apple done on monthly. All the same formula. Do you remember the war zone on Apple in 2013? Ouch! Never enter into the end of the minor trend. Apple struggle and struggle and struggle for how long? 5 months. Price blasted through, the same thing S&P had done today on hourly, and started showing selling pressure. Ouch! Corrections. Apple blasted with endless worthless chop reversal too, and complete collapse. All the way into decision point 2. All the same exact formula. Doesn't matter what you trade. Doesn't matter if you day trade or a hedge fund. You must know these levels. You must be knowledgeable trader and knowledgeable investor. All preset in price far in advance. Ladies and gentlemen, 5 more minutes, I'm out. My beautiful students, we are on for the market close as of 2:30. We are on as of 8:20 EST. Trading room, I'm here at 9:30 tomorrow. Please arrive sharply for Fibonacci review. If markets are absolutely frozen prior to FOMC, don't be surprised. I will reopen again quarter to 2 tomorrow morning for FOMC. As of 12:15 EST, I am out. I wish you a marvelous afternoon. Market remains in correction. You know the rules, you know what to pay attention to. I warned you. Shorting was not a good idea. We've been here for the last hour and a half. Rules will forever remain the key. We're starting new class from scratch on Monday. If you like to join us, the best time always to sign up is by Friday. You come to Friday to Fibonacci class. Support needs to change the dates to September 21st. You see how Fibonacci levels play out? 10% of the students catch everything on the first class. If you have knowledge of Fibonacci, you see how clear it becomes. So, market in correction, ciao kapao. No selling pressure here. Have a spectacular afternoon, my beautiful students. Look forward to seeing you at 2:30 EST. Trading room, back here tomorrow at 9:30.